many ways to say hello and bye in Finnish. Let's start with hello. Repeat after me. Hei. Hei. This is the most popular greeting. Also, you can use Heippa, Heippa, and Heido, Heido. Instead of these words, you can say Moi, Moi, Moikka, Moikka, Moro, Moro, Morjens, Morjens, Morjesta, Morjesta, and Terve, Terve. All these words mean hello. And now let's learn how to say bye in Finnish. Repeat after me. Moi moi, moi moi, hei hei, hei hei, Moikka-moi, Moikka-moi, Heippa-hei, Heippa-hei. If you want to say see you later, use Nähdään, Nähdään. And the last word means goodbye. Näkemiin, Näkemiin. That's all. Now you know all the Finnish greetings. You're so great! See you in the next video. Näkemiin.